Good day, Mr. Rogan. I'm Dustin Riley Roque. For today's performance task, I'm going to discuss about Police problem-solving strategy. My topic is all about Police problem-solving strategy. Use Police four-step problem-solving strategy, and the problem-solving produced to solve two given problem. If two ladders are placed end to end, their combined height is 31.5 feet. One ladder is 6.5 feet shorter than the other ladder. What are the heights of the two ladders? Before, let me define the Police. What is Police? Understand the problem, make a plan, execute the plan, and look back and reflect. Because the method is simple, the generalized well, it has become a classic method for solving problems. He is the four-step problem-solving strategy of two ladders. One ladder equals to x feet. Other ladder are equals x minus 6.5 feet. Combined heights is 31.5 feet. X plus x minus 6.5 is equal to 31.5. 2x minus 6.5 equal to 31.5. 2x equal to 38. X equal to 19 feet. One ladder equal to x equal to 19 feet. Other ladder equal to x minus 6.5 equal to 19 minus 6.5, 12 feet. The answer is 19 feet and 12.5 feet.